Hello, friends. Good morning. Today I will start the drama Othello by William Shakespeare. Today we are going to study Act 3, Scene 1 and Scene 2. In the first slide, that tells the name of the program BSc, subject Basic English, semester 3rd, University VSK UB, session 7. The next slide, the subtitle of the drama Othello, The More of Venice. The image of the uh, drama Othello by William Shakespeare. Then third slide, introduction Act 3, Scene 1, Scene 2nd and 3. In Act 3, Scene 1, enter Cassio and some musicians on stage. In an effort to win Othello's good graces, Cassio sends musicians to play the music beneath the general's window. Othello sends his servant, a clown or peasant, to tell the musicians to go away. Cassio asks the clown to entreat the Emily to come speak with him so that he can ask her for access to Desdemona. When the clown leaves, Iago enters and tells Cassio that he will send for Emily straight away and figure out a way to take Othello aside so that Cassio and Desdemona can confer privately. After Iago exits, Emily enters and tells Cassio that uh, Othello and Desdemona have been discussing his case. Desdemona has pleaded for Cassio, but the Othello worries that Monotono's influence and popularity in Cyprus would make Cassio's reappointment impractically. No matter how much Othello cares for his former lieutenant, Emily allows Cassio to come in and tells him to wait for Desdemona. The Act 3 first scene, the summary of the Act 3 and scene first. Enter the Cassio with some musicians, and then this gives way to the dialogue between Cassio and Desdemona, where we see how right Iago was about Desdemona's innocence and goodness. Next, continues scene second. Act 3, scene second. Iago, Othello, and a gentleman walk together at the. Othello gives Iago some letters to the deliver and decides to take a look at the town's fortification. Desdemona, Cassio, and Emily enter mid conversation. Desdemona has just vowed to do everything she can on Cassio's behalf with Othello and Iago enter. Cassio quickly departs, protesting to Desdemona that he feels too uneasy to do himself any good. Othello asks Othello asks whether it was a Cassio he saw leaving the room, and the Iago responds that surely Cassio would not behave like a guilty man at Othello's approach. Then, in the second scene, enter Othello, Iago, and gentlemen. Next, the third scene, enter Desdemona, Cassio, and Emily. In a mid conversation, Desdemona has just vowed to do everything she can on Cassio's behalf when Othello and Iago enter. Next slide, objectives. To study on nature of good and evil as depicted in the play, Othello as a tragedy. Othello is a soldier, a general in the Venetian army, is famed as a brave warrior. Othello, the Moor of Venice, Venice's racial identity, Desdemona falls in love with Othello. Next slide, learning outcome. Othello is a tragedy, so it certainly teaches great suffering, unhappy ending to the audience. Students can able to identify and describe the act third and scene first and scene second by reading the play Othello. Students must read thoroughly act third and scene first and second. They can understand the theme of the act third scene first and second. Athola explains about illusion, deceptions, disguises, and madness that love will causes to empower students communication and vocabulary by finding some more words from the play. Next, prerequisite. The play Othello is a story of Othello. A Moor is then a person whose racial identity defined as a black. Reference to the Othello's color and race, especially the remarks made by Iago, appears ominously throughout the play. Next, the main content in the third act begins with a feeble attempts at comic relief with the enter of the clown and the musicians. We might remember that the clown in most Shakespearean plays is a heroic figure, a wise person who comments on the action of the other characters. The presence of the music introduces a spiritual element. The tragedy lies in the confusion of the characters. Next, the dialogue between Cassio and Desdemona. Cassio says, Master, play here. I will content your pains, something that's brief and bid. Good morrow, General. The Cassio, he enters on the stage and he says like this, Clown, why masters have your instruments been in a Naples that they speak, I that knows thus. First musician. Next, I have prepared some the multiple choice questions. You read the questions and try to answer these questions. I have given answers also. I have given four choices. You have to answer any one of them. The first question is, who did enter Act third scene first on the stage? Desdemona, Cassio, attendants, D. Othello. You know the answer. The answer is very simple. The Cassio enters on the stage. Then second question, good morrow, General. Who said this? The choice is Cassio, Rodrigo, Othello, Barbento. You know the answer. The answer is very simple. The these this line is said by Cassio. Next, who is the heroic figure in the most Shakespearean play? In the content, I told you the main content. The heroic figure is I have given four choices: Desdemona, Cassio, Clown, and D. Iago. The answer is Clown. CLOWN. Next, The fourth question, complete the quote. We have dash such sir. We have no such sir. The answer, no, none, in, or into. We have we have to answer this question. We have no or none or in or into. We have no such sir. No, first answer. Then who was Emily? You know, Desdemona's father, a foolish Venetian gentleman, Iago's wife, lieutenant. The answer is Iago's wife. Okay, you can refer the text Othello, written by William Shakespeare. Next class we shall study the remaining part of the drama, Act 4. Okay, thank you, one and all.